wrestling fans? Today we're going to open a pack of 2012 WWE Topps India Slam Attax Rebellion trading card game. Similar to a Pokemon type battle game card. Here we go. Who's inside? Who will we get? And we start off with a stretcher match. Batista and Shawn Michaels. Next we have 64/58, Dolph Ziggler and Jack Swagger. Team card. And we've got the best in the world. 81 and an 88 high score. CM Punk sweep card. Very cool card. And next we've got David Otunga, the powerhouse. 55/64, the last card is a shiny Batista bomb.